welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah. I'm a qualified and professional personal trainer and yoga instructor, and I also do motivational consultations as well. I'm always worried about saying that. Motivational consultations. So today I had one with a beautiful lady who I've never met before. She's just rang me for her free consultation just to discuss how she can start getting her fitness journey moving and on track. So I'm going to try to keep it nice and short and sweet as usual. And she's given me permission to talk about this as well because hopefully it will help someone else. So she is 35, she's married and has one child. She doesn't work, she's a stay-at-home mum, has loads of time and freedom to get out there and do the exercise that she needs to do. But as we were talking, one of her issues is that she is worried, deep down unconsciously, she's worried that her friends and family, who are all bigger as well and of similar sizes, are going to think that she thinks she's too nice, basically, or they're going to think that she thinks she's better than them. And she's also worried that if she was to lose all the weight, they might not like her as much because right now, with them all being big, they have something to bond over. So with her sister, for example, on Fridays, they meet up after her sister finishes work and they go to the pub. And that's where they have a nice dinner. They get lots of extras. They do lots of drinking. On the weekend, when she's got her son, she goes and meets other mums that have children as well. And when they're at play groups and play dates, their thing is to eat and drink, and that is kind of what has been bonding her relationships with most of the people in her life. So my question to her was, what is more valuable to you, and what is going to be more priority in the future? For you to be healthy and have a body that you love and that you enjoy looking at naked or clothed, or for you to still have these relationships which are at least nutritionally unhealthy and they're not helping you? And obviously, we know what the answer is. Well, for some people, actually, you might not know what the answer is, because I'm sure for some people, you would rather have friends and people around you just so you can say that you have friends and you don't feel lonely, rather than work on yourself and make your own needs and what you deserve a priority. But for her, she knew that it's going to be better for her to lose weight and be healthier. For one, for her son. For two, just for her health in general. She has diabetes in her family line as well. And her great granddad recently had a heart attack too, which has made her think more about her health. So yeah, this is just for anyone out there who is bigger and keeps putting off starting their fitness journey. It is really important that you think about, why are you putting it off? Why do you keep backsliding? Why do you keep falling off the wagon? Why do you keep starting gym memberships and not going to the gym? What is the core reason? Yeah, it might be the fear of being around people or starting something new, but like for this lady, it was more about what she was worried about losing in her social life and with her family, and also more worried about being judged and what other people think about her. So for anybody out there who's going through something similar, or who's just from watching this has realized, wow, actually no, that would be something that could happen to me as well if I start eating healthier and stop drinking as much and change my lifestyle and what I do for social fun. Certain people are going to judge me, maybe criticize me, or not want to be friends with me anymore. And that's a big thing, especially if you've been friends with people for like 10, 15, 20 years, or it's your brother, your sister, someone in your family that you really have a tight bond with. You don't want to lose that. But at the end of the day, you only have one life, and it is your life. Nobody else is going to live it for you, and nobody else is going to make it better or can make it better. You are in control of what you want, especially for your body. Like, that is the one thing that you really can take control of, is your body and the way that you think. So just from watching this, really have a sit down with yourself and maybe even just write down all the reasons why you have been putting off your fitness, like starting off your new fitness lifestyle. So before 2020 even gets here, make your resolution from today and start it from today. Tomorrow is never guaranteed. So I just really hope this is kind of giving someone a little kick up the booty to get things moving. And like my new client, Stop thinking about other people. And if people really love you enough, they're going to support you and stand by your side. The ones that judge you and think you're too nice or you think you're too good just because you want to do something better for you, maybe they don't deserve to be in your life. So this is Sarah signing out. Don't forget to send a little like, share, subscribe. Send this to someone who you think it might help. Every little helps. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll be back again soon. Bye.